Okay, a continuation for that. We know that the sun is the heart of the solar system, although it is just a medium sized star. It is giant in comparison to other members of the solar system. We know that this is included our solar system. Comparing to other members of this solar system, the sun is the giant, it is the biggest one. Okay, then its diameter is more than 100 times the Earth's diameter. Listen, sun's diameter. That's a very familiar word. You already studied in our maths. That means from here to here, that width. Okay, here is more than 100 times. 100 times the Earth's diameter, and it weighs 3 lakh times more than the Earth. Listen, here is 100 times the Earth's diameter, that is the sun's diameter, and its weight 3 lakh times more than the Earth. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. Listen, the sun is about 150 million. How much? 150 million. Okay, listen. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. 150 million. 150 million kilometer agale here is. Then light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach us. Sun listen, the third planet. Sun Earth light they took 8 minutes. Listen, here is 8 minutes want to take. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach us. Then what is the distance? The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. 150 million kilometer ദൂരത്തായിട്ടാണ് അതായത് എർത്തും സണ്ണും തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സണ്ണിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ആ സൺലൈറ്റ്, ആ സൂര്യപ്രകാശം നമ്മുടെ എർത്തിലേക്ക് എത്തുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി 8 മിനിറ്റ്സ് ആണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ the sun is made up of highly compressed hot gases. The sun, it is made up of highly compressed hot gases. Then the sun give out of an enormous amount of heat and light. Listen, here is hot gases, that's why it gives heat and light. Then this makes life possible on Earth. That is here is a life possible on Earth. Very helpful because the sun gives us heat and light. Then light from the sun gets reflected from the planet and their moons. Light from the sun, the sun ninnulla light aanu ee planets nokka reflect cheyyunnathu, and also moon. Then this makes it possible for us to see the since they do not produce their own light. Listen, other planets and also moon that do not produce their own light. മറ്റുള്ള പ്ലാനറ്റുകളും മൂണും സ്വന്തമായിട്ട് ലൈറ്റ് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. പിന്നെ എന്തിൽ നിന്നുള്ള റിഫ്ലക്ഷൻ ആണ് അനുഭവപ്പെടുന്നത്? സണ്ണിൽ നിന്നുള്ള റിഫ്ലക്ഷൻ ആണ് ലഭിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഈസ് ഇറ്റ് ക്ലിയർ? നൗ വി ഡിസ്കസിങ് the sun, that is the heart of the solar system. Here is we discussed more details. Then planets and their motions. What is the next topic? Planets and their motions. After the sun, the largest celestial bodies in the solar system are the 8 planets. Listen, in the solar here is the largest one, that is the sun. After this, what are included in this category? The planets are included in this category. In which category? That is the largest celestial bodies. Then in order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. In order the distance from the sun, സണ്ണിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിനനുസരിച്ച് ഓരോ പേരിലാണ് ഓരോ പ്ലാനറ്റ്സ് അറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്. Mercury, what is the speciality of Mercury? It is the smallest planet, Mercury. Then another one is the Venus, then Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the planets. Can you see this? Okay, then planets are spherical in shape. What is the shape of planet? Spherical shape. What is the meaning of spherical? Here is a round shape. What is the shape of planet? Spherical shape. Which shape? Spherical. What is the meaning of spherical? round shape. Then apart from its moons, there are no independent bodies near a planet that move around the sun. Planets are spherical in shape. Apart from its moons, there are no independent bodies near a planet that move around the sun. Okay. മൂൺ അല്ലാതെ പ്ലാനറ്റ്സ് എന്താണ് അതിലുള്ള മൂണും അല്ലാതെ മറ്റൊന്നും തന്നെ ഈ ഇതിനെ സണ്ണിനെ നിയറസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് റൊട്ടേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. ദെൻ മെർക്കുറി, വീനസ്, എർത്ത് ആൻഡ് മാർസ് ആർ മെയ്ഡ് അപ്പ് ഓഫ് റോക്സ്. ലിസൺ, ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് 4 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are formed or included rocks. What are included here? Rocks. I repeat, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are made up of rocks. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are huge planets made up of gases and liquid. Okay, another 4. What is that? Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. It's made up of gases and it's made up of what is that? Here is gas and liquids. Okay, it is made up of gas and liquids. Liquids means ദ്രവ രൂപത്തിലുള്ള gases and liquids. I repeat, listen. Now we discussing the solar system. The solar system here is mainly included the sun and 8 planets. The first 4 planets, I mean Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, that is made up of rocks. Then another thing is the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. It made up of light and gas and liquid. Then gases and liquids. Jupiter, the giant of the solar system. It is the giant. ഈ കൂട്ടത്തിലെ ഭീകരൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഭീമകാരനുള്ള the largest one, that is the Jupiter. Jupiter is the giant. This is the Jupiter. It is the giant one in the solar system. Then Jupiter, the giant of the solar system, is big enough to contain over 1,300 globes the size of the Earth. It is the largest planet while Mercury is the smallest. Listen, 1,300. Listen, here is 1,300 globes the size of the Earth. That is included the Jupiter. Comparatively, here we can compare the Earth and the Jupiter. Here is 1,300 fold. അത്രയും മടങ്ങ് വലുപ്പമുണ്ടെന്ന് വേണമെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കൊരു ഗ്ലോബ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമുക്കറിയാം സ്മോളർ സൈസ് ഇൻ ദ എർത്ത്. സ്മോൾ സൈസ് ഓഫ് എർത്ത് ആണ് ഗ്ലോബ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ആ ഗ്ലോബ് ഒന്ന് ഇമാജിൻ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക. അതിന്റെ 1300 വലുപ്പമുള്ള അത്രത്തോളം ആയിട്ട് എന്ത് വരുന്നുണ്ടെന്നാ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്? നമ്മുടെ ജൂപ്പിറ്ററിന് വലുപ്പം ഉണ്ടെന്നാ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ഗ്രേറ്റസ്റ്റ് വൺ. ദെൻ ഹിയർ ഈസ് Mercury, that is the smallest. Why? At the same time, Mercury is the smallest. This is the smallest one. This is the largest one. Mercury is the smallest one. Jupiter is the largest one. Then another important matter. Some planets can be easily identified. Venus is the brightest planet. Then here is certain planets we can easily identify. Venus is the brightest. What is the speciality of Venus? It is the brightest. What is the speciality of Venus? It is the brightest planet. Then Mars looks red and is called red planet. Mars, it look like red in color. That's why it is called red planet. What is it? It is a red planet. Then if you look at Saturn, though, through a telescope, you will see the rings around the planet. When we look with the help of a telescope, we can see the Saturn. Here is one ring. അല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ ടെലസ്കോപ്പിലൂടെ നോക്കുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സാറ്റേൺ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പ്ലാനറ്റിന് ചുറ്റും ഒരു വെള്ള റിങ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഉള്ളതായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഫീൽ ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ഇൻക്ലൂഡഡ് ദെയർ? യു വിൽ സീ റിങ്സ് അറൌണ്ട് ദ പ്ലാനറ്റ്. ദ റിങ്സ് ആർ മേഡ് അപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഡസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടിക്കിൾസ്, റോക്സ് ആൻഡ് ഐസ്. എന്താണ് എങ്ങനെയാണ് അവിടെ ആ റിങ് ഫോം ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്? ദർ ഈസ് ഇൻക്ലൂഡഡ് ഡസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടിക്കിൾസ്, ഐസ് ആൻഡ് ഓൾസോ ഹിയർ ഈസ് റോക്സ്. There are rings around Uranus, Jupiter and Neptune too. യുറാനസിനും ജൂപ്പിറ്ററിനും നെപ്റ്റ്യൂണിനും ഇതുപോലെ റിംഗ് ഉണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ നമുക്ക് കൂടുതലായിട്ട് ഫീൽ ചെയ്യുന്നത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ കഴിയുന്നത് സാറ്റേണിലാണ്. ദാറ്റ്സ് വൈ ഹിയർ ഈസ് drawing here. I already draw. Here is one ring. What is included in this ring? Okay, say ice, then rocks and dust particles. Then the word planet comes from a Greek word which means wanderer. This word, which word? Planet. That word comes from a Greek word. That is, what is the meaning of that Greek word? Wanderer. You know what is the meaning of wanderer? They always moving one to another. ഒരു സ്ഥലത്തു നിന്ന് മറ്റൊരു സ്ഥലത്തേക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ അലഞ്ഞു തിരിഞ്ഞെടുക്കുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കറങ്ങിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. That means here is a constant rotation. Listen, this is a fitting description of the planet because they are constantly in motion. They are constantly in motion. Motion means moving. അല്ലേ, ചലിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഒരേ ദിശയിലേക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരേ ഇതിലിങ്ങനെ കറങ്ങിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. നമുക്കറിയാം എർത്ത് ഓൾവേസ് റൊട്ടേറ്റിംഗ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓൺ ആക്സിസ്. അതിൻ്റെ അച്ചുതണ്ടിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ കറങ്ങിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. അതുപോലെ ഇവിടെ സൂര്യന് ചുറ്റും ഈ പ്ലാനറ്റ്സ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ റൊട്ടേറ്റ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ലിസൺ, ഹിയർ ഈസ് this is a fitting description of the planet because they are constantly in motion. The planets have two types of motion, that is revolution and rotation. These planets motion or it's moving mainly two types of motion. What are the two types of motion? Rotation and revolution. What is that? Rotation and revolution. Okay, I repeat. Now we discussing the solar system. We already discussed what is the solar system, what are included. Okay, then here is we already discussed what are the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Then Jupiter's speciality, it is the largest or giant planet. The smallest planet is the Mercury. Then brightest planet is the Venus. Then another thing is the Mars speciality. That another name is the red planet. What is the reason behind it? Its color is red. Then another thing is the Saturn. When we look Saturn with the help of telescope, we can see here is one ring. How here is a ring formed? Because there is included what included? Dust particles, rocks and ice. Uranus, Neptune, Jupiter also the ring included. Okay, then lastly we discuss here is planets. We get this word or a planet derived from the Greek word that means wanderer. Okay, it comes from a Greek word which means wanderer. Then here is constantly moving or it included because they are constantly in motion. The planets have two types of motion. What are the two types of motion? Rotation and revolution. What are the two types of motion? Rotation and revolution. Okay. More details related to rotation and revolution we want to take the next class. We will discuss more details. Okay, then we already found two question answers from A part. Then now also we want to find another questions from B part. All of you take your exercise page B1. What is a constellation? What is the question? B1. What is a constellation? The last page of this chapter, you can see there is one things to remember. Okay, things to remember. The second point, what is that? Constellation. What is constellation? Group of stars forming a definite pattern. But before group, the constellation കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ is a എന്ന് add ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക. Okay, listen here. Constellation is a. Constellation is a group of stars forming a definite pattern. Then another question. What is galaxy? That also included things to remember. Things to remember le third point ആണ് galaxy. Galaxy is a millions of stars which together form a group. Our sun belongs to the Milky Way galaxy. Things to remember, second one constellation. Things to remember, third one What is a galaxy? What is answer? Galaxy is a millions of stars which together form a group. Our sun belongs to the Milky Way galaxy. Or you want to write the example of a galaxy, that is the Milky Way galaxy. Is it clear? Okay. Then here is a A3, third question. How far is the sun from the earth? How far is the sun from the earth? Take page number 4, the right side, the solar system heading, third paragraph, 6th line. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Listen here. The sun belongs to 150 kilometers away from the earth. Okay, that over. Total we found 5 question answers. We already discussed 5 question and answer. You want to write these question answers in your notebook and also want to study. Surely I will ask some questions from this chapter, and every day you want to read your textbook very careful. Otherwise you have no improvement, especially social science. Regular reading, that only the solution for understanding these chapters, and also want to study the question answers. Okay. After completing this chapter, all students want to submit your notebook through WhatsApp. That means I want that photos. You want to complete your note. After that, you want to send your writings. Okay, is it clear? Okay, to be continued on next class. Thank you.